Welcome to Dr. Imran's official. Today we will talk about human brain anatomy. The human brain has a complex and intricate anatomy. It can be broadly divided into several major regions. Cerebrum. This is the largest part of the brain and is divided into two hemispheres, the right and left. The outer layer is called the cerebral cortex, and it's responsible for higher-level functions like thinking, reasoning, and sensory processing. Cerebellum. This smaller, cauliflower-like structure at the back of the brain is primarily responsible for coordination, balance, and fine motor control. Brainstem. The brainstem is located at the base of the brain and connects to the spinal cord. It controls basic life functions such as breathing, heart rate, and digestion. It consists of the medulla oblongata, pons, and midbrain. Diencephalon. This region includes the thalamus and hypothalamus. The thalamus relays sensory information to the cerebral cortex, while the hypothalamus controls various bodily functions, including body temperature, hunger, and thirst. Limbic system. This set of structures deep within the brain is involved in emotions, motivation, and memory. Key components include the amygdala, hippocampus, and hypothalamus. Basal ganglia. These structures are involved in the control of voluntary motor movements, as well as in various cognitive functions. They play a role in conditions like Parkinson's disease. Ventricles. The brain contains a system of fluid-filled cavities called ventricles, which produce and circulate cerebrospinal fluid to protect and nourish the brain. White matter and gray matter. The brain has both white matter composed of nerve fibers and axons, and gray matter composed of cell bodies and dendrites. The white matter connects different regions of the brain, while gray matter houses most of the brain's cell bodies. Cortex. The cerebral cortex is divided into four main lobes. The frontal lobe, associated with reasoning, planning, and problem-solving; the parietal lobe, involved in sensory processing; the temporal lobe, important for memory and hearing; and the occipital lobe, responsible for visual processing. Sulci and gyri. The brain's surface has numerous folds and grooves. Folds are called gyri, and grooves are called sulci. These increase the surface area of the cortex, allowing for more neural connections.